So the next item is a tiny one. Yeah. We have here an ABS Reamer. I'm quite sure that you remember the one with the green handle what we have with the ratchet function. This one is a little bit more simple because, as you can see, it's just the Reamer. Yeah? There is only a 6-point in the end. This is 16 millimeters, so that you can use a ratchet wrench or a normal wrench or a socket with a ratchet, and so no ratchet mechanism or stuff like that. And yeah, what we are doing with this ABS Reamer is that we are cleaning the hole of the ABS sensor. It's very important to clean this hole when you renew the ABS sensor, because what is the problem? You remove the old ABS sensor and all the rust and dirt is still in the hole of the ABS sensor, and when you mount now the new ABS sensor, you have the problem that you cannot go through this hole. It stucks immediately after you go into the hole. There is a lot of rust and everything, and then starts the procedure that you have to clean the hole, and you can do this with sanding paper, with a file or stuff like that, but you will never reach the perfect result. And it's very important that you have a real round hole and a real clean one that you can mount a new ABS sensor. And this, what I talked about, I want to show you now in real. Now we are here live at the axle in our showroom, so it's a brand new axle. Yeah, so we don't have any worn things here. So, but no matter. I just want to show you how we work with these ABS Reamer. So it's quite simple. We just remove the ABS sensor. Then there is a small sleeve. This we remove as well. And you can imagine when you have an old axle, that at this point, you can see the brake disc here, there is a lot of dirt, there is a lot of rust, and the hole itself, it's in diameter minimum 2-3 millimeters smaller than the ABS sensor, and this we have to clean. And what we are doing is we use the ABS Reamer, go into the hole, and then you just have to turn. When you're at your worn things, you use a ratchet or a ratchet wrench, and then just by turning we clean the hole, and it will be absolutely perfect. The result is so that you can use your new ABS sensor, and it is like it is come from the factory. So nothing more to say about. As you can see, quite simple work. Yeah, everyone who is doing this work should have one of these.